Okay, Tracy, read the letter.
Okay. I've been with you at Happy Hearts Family Daycare for 5 wonderful years. You have helped me learn to walk, and you have guided me. Oh my gosh, I want to cry. I can't get through it.
I've never seen her cry. Lisa, I've never seen her cry. I've never seen my mother. I've never seen my father cry. Except for my mother. She got me never seen her cry. Is her crying? Yeah, she's crying. Yep, she's crying. Are you crying, Trace?
Yes, because
Explain
I'm
it.
sad.
Hey, Trace, are you going to open the present?
Thank you, Nick.
It's
Sorry, I couldn't get through
Huh?
it. Sorry, I couldn't finish it.
Tomorrow he will be leaving.
I'll read it later, guys. I couldn't finish
Okay.
it, okay? Oh my goodness, what is in this? Oh, awesome, Nick. You know me so well. Yes, I will use this every day. This is